Good evening, sir. I'm Priya from Tamil Nadu, from Madurai. Actually, I have selected TNC test series, TNC app and set test series 2022 September. NOSET 3, it seems I have selected. It was really a wonderful platform for nursing aspirants who are all preparing for NOSET or AIMS, other exams and all. Any competitive exams. It's really well formed content, and the questions are. Actually, I have. Um, I bought only test series for NASET, but it was very helpful for me to crack the exam. It was a very wonderful experience for me. Actually, I'm not that good enough to study alone and all and preparing for exams, but it's really helped me a lot. Daily, sir will update like morning alarm, prelims, main prelims test series, main subject wise questions. You'll be sending like alarm, prelims uploaded. Please attend the question, and also you'll be giving all India rank, sir. It's really motivate. It's really motivating us to. Um, Study more and study well. Okay, we have to we have to correct ourselves here. We have to correct ourselves here. So we'll rectify our mistakes after the exams, after the test attended. So I'm really happy. And in this NOSET, I have secured a rank 113. So it's because of you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, the entire team. I have bought only the test series, but it was very useful for me. I have attended, so I have learned from that. And your rational also very good. Each and every questions you have given the rational, and it was wonderful. Thank you so much, sir. Actually, I'm feeling overwhelmed now. Thank you so much, sir. You have to you have to create more students like me, and. I don't have words to express my feelings now because this is my aim and this is my long-term goal. I have been preparing for 1 year from 2022, but now I reached my goal just because of test series. Frequently, daily I'll attend 300 questions, and also sir will be discussing in the like quiz and all in Telegram. It was very useful in that time, and thank you so much, sir. I'll suggest my friends to attend this test series to gain the knowledge. And thank you so much, sir. Once again, thank you the entire team.